So this is how they found the place, and this is how they have turned it into. Welcome to my house, guys. Thank you. What is this? Oh, Nimbu Pani. Okay. अच्छा है ना?
ऐसे बोल रहे थे तेरा घर है।
Welcome to my house, guys. Hey guys. I know I've not been vlogging. It's been a while. But today I had to because I'm out at a very exotic place. I'm here to explore this one of the most exotic and heritage property in Kolkata named Raj Badi Bawali. I'm here with my family. My brother and my sister-in-law are here in India all the way from Paris, and they wanted to experience a royal vibe, which definitely this place provides. So yeah, I've heard a lot about this place, but finally I'm here. Me living in Kolkata for so many years. I mean, I don't live here, but I belong to Kolkata and I keep on traveling to Kolkata, but I've never really been here. Only have heard so far, but thanks to my bhaiya and babi that they planned and we could execute this. So my our mother is also here along with us. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the property. We're soon gonna go for the property tour post lunch, but yeah, stay tuned and keep watching because I'm gonna tell you mostly show you around the place, and then all I know is that this is a 250 years old property and it belonged to some zamindar Mondal family. They lived an amazing and a royal lifestyle here. These people found this property and then in logon ne, I don't know what my bhabhi is doing. She is exploring around having her time. So yeah, what I was saying is that these people found this property and उन्होंने उसको अच्छे से बनाया, पूरा renovate किया. I will also show you some before and after pictures so that you get the idea like how it was actually found when they found it, and then how they have changed it and made it look like this. Just look at it. Look at the beauty. As you can see, there are a lot of tourists and people around who have come here to explore and get the same vibe like us, the royal vibe. Some people clicking pictures there. Yeah, and this place is also very famous for the food that they serve. They offer the Bengal delicacy, the authentic Bengali cuisine that we have in Kolkata. There are some amazing thalis that they have, like vast variety. Not all the items are available right now. Not all the thalis are available right now because of this war and then ongoing gas issue. I'm sure this issue is everywhere. So yeah, But then the thalis which are available right now are mainly zamindari non-veg thali and the zamindari veg thali, which also interested us. We wanted to actually have the zamindari non-veg thali only, and luckily that's available. So we're gonna have that today, and I'll show you what all is available on that menu. It's a huge menu, some 15-20 items are included in it. So yeah, I'm excited. So let's see. I'll also make you meet my brother and bhabhi, and you all are gonna see them throughout the vlog somewhere in between. You just saw my bhabhi just by the way. Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm sure you all are gonna love it. This is Notun Badi, and this is the view.
And this is Notun Bor.
This is Notun Badi with pond view. You can book the new architecture as well, which looks more like a hotel. But if you want more of a cottage view or a royal old architectural vibe, then this is what you can book.
Dokan.
Let's go to Dokan and find out what that is. The Dokan, the shop at the Rajbadi Bawali. Beautiful. You can take one like as a souvenir. Yes. एक मिनट हटना मम्मी.
कुछ लेना घर के लिए.
Wall hanging. These are coasters and cup set.
I don't.
What is the starting price of these bags? 500. Okay. 500 में कौन से वाले आएंगे? ये वाले.
ये वाला
अच्छा, right here. Tote bag.
क्वालिटी हाँ
Oh, they have small pouches as well. Now we are going to have a lunch. So peaceful. कितना peaceful है ना मम्मी? आपको पसंद है ये जगह?
ये तो पसंद है.
पसंद है? Okay. I think this is where the live performance happens.
इधर है क्या?
This is where the live performance happens.
Oh my god.
Like down.
Okay. So are we starting with the performance?
चलो नचनिया लोग.
Shara bhabhi. He's like, chalo aa jao, nachaniya aa jao. Let's start with the mujra. This is the dining area. This is where we're gonna have our Raj Bhog. We'll go inside and I'll show you the inside. So beautiful this is. I love this setup. You can have lunch here with a view of the pond and the fountain right here. It's so royal. And in everything there's a touch of Bengali culture. So this is the whole setup guys. यहाँ पे हम लोग lunch करेंगे. So let's get ready.
Thank you. Food looks
So the
beautiful.
yeah, the food is finally here.
अभी तक नॉनवेज नहीं आया वैसे.
हाँ मैंने करके आई आंटी.
These are only the vegetarian options फिलहाल. अभी और भी 3 non-vegetarian options आने बाकी है. अच्छा, would you like to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, before he starts, let me tell you, this is Rajbadi
जमींदारी.
Zamindari. This is Rajbadi Zamindari non-vegetarian meal thali.
Okay, so we have green chili, Gondoraj lebu, some salad with cucumber and tomato, beautiful white rice, aloo posto, muget dal. This is shukto, begun bhaja, aloo bhaja, jhudi aloo bhaja. This is beguni, yes, and this is bodi bhaja.
These are the non-vegetarian items. This
Mutton.
is mutton.
चिंगड़ी
What is this?
Kochu
Chingri.
pata chingri.
Oh, kochu pata chingri. Kochu pata chingri, and this is bheki paturi. Ooh. Okay, let's start. The first thing that we do is squeeze the Gondoraj lemon on dal or whatever you want to have. I'll start with dal.
Make some space. Keep the katoris outside the plate.
It's too good.
Yeah.
How's it good?
It's too good.
Bodi bhaja.
Puri has also arrived. Okay, let's start.
चिंगड़ी भी yummy है.
Sometimes I also hate kids. I love kids, but sometimes I hate them. But especially the cranky ones. This is aloo posto. Let's add some dal to the rice. Add some lemon to it.
अच्छा है ना आंटी?
लाइट भी है तो शुक्तो है.
Add some aloo bhaja and bodi bhaja. Now this is gonna be a bite.
हाँ.
Jumbo bite. Authentic Bengali food. Okay, let me finish having my meal and then I'll get back to you guys. I think there's gonna be some live performance happening, so they are preparing for it right there. In the meantime, I'll show you the drinks that we have ordered. So the drinks doesn't come along with the meal that with the thali. You have to order separately. So these are the few mocktails and one cocktail that we have ordered. This is Dragon Mist. This is Dab Mojito. This is Spicy Mango Spark. Spicy Mango Spark.
एक मिनट लूँगी.
And the only cocktail that we have ordered is this one, which is Gondoraj Lemon Spritz. There you go. Cheers. Cheers.
नहीं मेरे पास भी है ना.
Oh, it's nice. The dragon fruit mist is nice.
ये प्रॉपर मोहितो है.
Dab Mojito. Let me try the Dab Mojito.
ये मस्त है.
आंटी
Okay, let me try the
मैंगो वाला.
spicy mango spark.
स्पाइसी होगा ना? हाँ थोड़ा स्पाइसी है. नोट में स्पाइसी फील होता है.
Yeah, it is actually.
ये ट्राई किया क्या?
No, not yet. I'll try the spritz now. Let's see.
दारू.
और थोड़ा ले लो.
नहीं काफी आंटी इतना पीना.
क्या बोला?
दारू.
Okay, guys. Let me try the spritz
That's
now.
the end of my life.
So this is Gondoraj lemon spritz. The Gondoraj that I used with the food, this is called Gondoraj lemon. So they have prepared the spritz with this. It's vodka and then the mix of Gondoraj lemon, and yeah, let's try it out. Oh, nice. Just a bit of information, this thali is for 1500 plus taxes, but the quantity is really good. And so far. The food tastes amazing. This is the mutton. I just had one bite of it. Oh god, it's so nicely cooked. I'm gonna try the mutton again.
ये खा के भी मेरे को कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं है। अभी तक तो जिंदा हूँ, बाकी देखते हैं।
ज़्यादा मतलब
बहुत कम है,
Okay, now I'll try Bhetki Macher Paturi. I'll show you how it looks like. Okay. So this is Bhetki Macher Paturi. This is basically prepared with mustard seeds and in mustard oil with some spices like maybe turmeric and then chili. Stop interrupting. And then you wrap it with banana leaves. And it can be made with different type of fishes. Like this is made with bhetki mash. You can also prepare it with ilish mash or different kind of fishes. Like this is bhetki mash. So yeah, you wrap it with banana leaf and then you steam it for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes on steam. You keep it and then yeah, it's ready to eat. This is how it looks once it's done. So I'll taste it and tell you how it tastes. Let me take a bite of it and see how it tastes like. Oh, they have put a chili, a whole chili inside.
I put it.
You put it? Okay.
You didn't see that time I was putting.
No, I did not because I was too much engrossed in my vlog. Dessert में क्या क्या है? Sandesh,
रसगुल्ला
and
मिष्टी दोई.
Do you like mishti doi?
I love it.
How was the food?
It was yummy.
How was the food?
Hi sir.
Low sir.
Yeah, very low. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मैं और 10 दिन तक कुछ नहीं खा पाऊंगी.
ब्लॉग के लिए झूठ मत बोल.
इनको लगता है मैं ब्लॉग के लिए झूठ बोल रही हूँ. वैसे 10 दिन का तो नहीं पता बट आज रात को तो मेरे को लग रहा है मैं डिनर नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Yeah, chutney. I'm gonna try the chutney now. That's how you eat. Like nachos. Put a little bit of chutney on top of the papad and eat it like this. मजा आ गया.
मजा आ गया. I have 3 items to finish. You are not taking
Finish.
dessert.
मैंने इतनी गंदी तरह से खाया है बट ख़त्म सब कुछ किया है.
दही
ये इसमें थोड़ा ग्रेवी है, मटन में थोड़ा ग्रेवी है, अदरवाइज मैंने ख़त्म सब किया है.
तो सब कर.
आपका तो प्लेट ही गायब हो चुका है सो आई कांट से एनीथिंग बट भैया ने बहुत अच्छे से खाया. Eat and eat.
Still a little to finish, but yeah, almost all
Come on,
gone.
you can do it. Oh, you're not gonna have it?
Huh?
You're gonna finish that or no? Oh,
It's too much.
yeah. Let's not overeat. All right. See you later.
मैं और मिठाई अलग से नहीं लूँगा.
मम्मी आपको खाना कैसा लगा? খুব ভালো. তোমাকে মিষ্টি খেতে বারণ করেছিলাম না, এত মিষ্টি খেয়েছো তুমি? খাইনি. इनको शुगर है फिर भी इतना मीठा खाया है इन्होंने. दिस इज द प्रूफ. कोई नहीं. Enjoy. She is here to give us the property tour, but I can't show her face. So yeah, we'll just listen to what she's saying and I'll show you around. There are কত rooms बोल रहे? 21.
21 रूम जमींदार लोगों का.
21 rooms.
हाँ, अभी तो 50 रूम्स है.
अच्छा, जमींदार लोगों का 21 था, अभी 50 rooms है. ओके.
ये लेमन टी আমার ঘরেও আছে.
ও তুমি কি বলতে চাইছো তুমিও জমিনদার?
जो है
हाँ
वो पौंड का हिसाब का
ट्रक के फ्रंट पार्ट को बनाया है बार टेबल. दिस इज सो कूल. एंड दिस इज द पूल एरिया.
और उधर देखे पुराना एक दो पुराना
स्कूटर रखा हुआ है.
चेतक.
क्या? गेम रूम. ओह, खुला हुआ है क्या? ऐसे ही एक्सप्लोर करने को देख सकते हैं. ओके, ये देखो महानुसार. गेम रूम. द डार्क बंगलो.
अच्छा, ऊपर का फ्लोर भी है क्या?
राजबाड़ी बवाली. These are all the different guest house.
मिलेंगे, किचन मिलेंगे, पूरा बेडरूम, दो बेडरूम.
ओके.
मतलब थोड़ा एयरबीएनबी टाइप्स.
यस.
पूरा
और
प्रॉपर
ऊपर
गेस्ट हाउस
उसमें-
बेसिकली.
ऊपर
ऊपर भी रूम है, सिंगल सिंगल.
अच्छा अच्छा.
ओके.
और ये नया डाक बंगलो है, इसमें एक ही रूम पे दो बेड है और लिविंग रूम सब कुछ है. किचन है.
या आई हैव सीन दिस
डाक बंगलो. डाक बंगलो.
उनका वेबसाइट में देख
चिट्ठी मिलता है ना.
हाँ हाँ, लेटर.
लेटर.
हाँ.
उई, जैक फ्रूट.
वो चिकन डक बंगलो, मटन
हाँ,
डक
हाँ,
बंगलो का रेसिपी है.
हाँ.
रेसिपी है.
नाइस. जेल खाना. Might be a little dark inside. ओ तेरी. लाइट है अंदर. हाँ. ओह.
इधर आ जा.
तो कहाँ पे उनको रखते थे?
मैं बोल
ओके.
हम ये सब सेल है. एक
अच्छा, ये सारे सेल्स हैं. ओके. I don't think you'll be able to see this. Let's see if I can show you guys. Okay, this is the cell area. It's too dark. Noise.
ये बहुत अच्छा है.
Wow, look at this. हाँ. छोटो बाड़ी बवाली. Different categories of rooms.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
इसको शेड बनाया पर पहले ऐसा नहीं था, पूरा खुला था.
खुला था. हाँ
This is the dining area where we had our lunch. What is it? Bar counter. Oh, fancy.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Fancy bar counter. Bhavi, click a picture. I'll take it from you. You take a picture. I'll take it. This is Manchan. No, Machan. The Machan. Machan.
कद्दू वगैरह होते हैं ना, उस टाइम पे ऐसे होता है झूल झूल के.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Oh, माने एकटा टाइपेर फ्रूट.
हाँ.
Okay.
मतलब अलग अलग जगह से उठा के असेंबल किया.
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा है. ये देखो, ये जो बहुत सुंदर है.
The best part is that you guys have like maintained the royal vibe of it and not made it like too modernized or something. एकदम वैसे heritage look. हाँ, maintain किया है आप लोगों ने वो. अच्छा, ये क्या है यहाँ पे? Candles. Candle stand. Okay. Nice. यहाँ पे पार्टीज वगैरह के लिए है ना?
हाँ, जैसे
हाई टी वगैरह इधर होता है?
कोई बार होता है, ज़्यादातर वो बड़ा वाला सीढ़ी के ऊपर होता है.
ओके ओके.
और शाम में कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होता है, मैं दिखाऊंगी. उस टाइम में क्या होता है, कोई हाइटे लेता है, कोई ड्रिंक्स लेता है.
ओके ओके ओके.
ड्रिंक्स मीन्स जैसे लेमन जूस ऐसे सब कुछ लेता है.
करेक्ट. बैठक खाना it seems. Oh, nice. Like a meeting room sort of. Oh wow.
वो इधर आ जाओ. कार का शो है.
इंटरस्टेलर।
पता चल गया मुझे।
इतना बड़ा रेडियो।
How old is this? Damn.
ये असली हेरिटेज चीज है।
Yeah. Nice. So this is how they found the place, and this is how they have turned it into. Bless you. This is the swimming pool area. Oh, I wanted to show them this main area. This is the entrance. Yeah. This is how it was, and this is how it is now. Beautiful. Yeah. So that's how it is. This is the private dining space. When people book it for the private party is when you get this. Oh, Zamindar family. Some photos. The Zamindar family. Let's go. There's some. This place is booked for some party, some private function going on. So we're not really going inside much. But anyway. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I could not show you guys the face of the person who actually gave us the property tour because she is not allowed to, but she gave an amazing tour to us. So because of such amazing tour, she also deserves a great shout out. Her name is Shubhoshri, and in case if you guys are visiting this place, which is called Rajbari Bawali, again mentioning it, this is the main entrance of the property, and there is some very fancy cars parking right in front of it. I think these guys are promoting it because we have seen the same car pictures and advertisements inside the property, so I believe, yeah, they are promoting it. And yeah, so back to what I was saying is that in case you guys are coming here, then you guys can go ahead and ask for the property tour from Miss Shubhoshri. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys liked my vlog because I vlogged after very long. There is another guest who is entering right now. This is how they do the grand welcome. And yeah, that's all about today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and love yourself.